Welcome to the project demonstration of Raspberry Pi based spy robots. So in this version we have added the camera hiding feature. Based on any person who came in front of this robot, in order to hide the camera from him by seeing that, because we are not going to let him know that our robot has the camera. So then automatically this robot will control the servo motor to hide this camera directly. In this manner it will hide this servo motor so that no one knows that there is a camera over here, and that will be done with help of ultrasonic sensor and servo motor, and the remaining is continuously the video will be streamed to the mobile phone through the Wi-Fi network, and also we can control the robots like forward, backward, left, right movements, and the whole system getting power supply from this 12 volt 2 amp battery pack, and also it has a headlights. So this is the main headlight for the robots, and this battery pack consists of two sub battery packs. In that, one sub battery pack has a 4 volt 1 amp batteries are in series, so we will get 12 volt 1 amp and 12 volt 1 amp. These two are in parallel, so we will get 12 volt 2 amp directly outputs. So that 12 volt DC output is input to the motors, 4 DC motors. We are using 4-wheel drive motor. So here the back side of that we can see the 4 motors, that is nothing but 4-wheel drive vehicle, and that will get the 12 volts DC power supply directly from these batteries through the L293D motor driver. So we place the L293D motor driver board. This one will take 12 volts DC, and based on the instructions from the Raspberry Pi 4, we are going to control the direction of this DC motor with help of this L293D motor driver. And the next same 12 volts DC is input to this LM2596 voltage regulator, which will take 12 volts DC input and provide us the 5 volts 2 amps of current. So which is the main sufficient current we need to provide for the Pi 4, then only it will work without any interrupts. And that 5 volts is input to this breadboard, and from here we are distributing that to the Raspberry Pi 4 and our servo motor, ultrasonic sensor, and remaining all other input and output modules in our projects. So these are all the main connections. And coming to the interfacing circuit diagram, we have interfaced the L293D motor driver at 5, 6, 9, 13 pin, and servo motor at 12th pin, and ultrasonic sensor at 23 and 24 pins. So these are the main connections. Pi camera directly connected to the Pi camera slot. In order to recharge this battery, we will provide the charging circuits. With the help of this charger, we can recharge the battery. So just connect the 230 volts to this power cable, and there we can see the light indication on this charging circuit. And here we need to connect the battery at this slot. We have mentioned the battery over here. So this is the battery. So we should connect that battery at this B slot, transformer at this T slot, and just leave it for 6 hours minimum, 8 hours maximum. If the battery get charged between the time before that also, no need to worry, this charging circuit will block the current flow from the transformer to the battery. So after the time completion, you can keep this charging total night, the whole night you can keep this under charging. After that, disconnect this one. The very first step is keep the battery under full charge. The next step is go to hotspot settings of your phone, change the hotspot name to project 5931. So set up the portable hotspot is 5931, and the password should be 123456789, and the AP band should be 2.4 gigahertz. All these setups successfully done. Check clearly without any space, without any capital letter. Right. So on the hotspots, and next install the network analyzer application from the Play Store. From this application we can know the IP address of our Raspberry Pi. Now we can on the power supply to this. This is the main on off switch, on and off, on. So Raspberry Pi will take 20 to 30 seconds for booting. On successfully booting, the servo motor will be stabilized. Initially it may vibrate, but leave that for 5 to 10 seconds, it will be stabilized. And also we can see the one device is connected in your mobile phone. Right now it is stabilized one. So in successfully done, one device was connected, and now go to network analyzer application, LAN scan, do the scan. There you get the Raspberry Pi IP address. Copy that. Go to Google Chrome. Here paste, and along with that IP address enter 5000:5000. This is very important. Okay, and now enter. So we can see the visuals. See, if any person is there in front of that, so we set the limit for 30 centimeters for demonstration purpose. So if the person gone, then automatically it will come back. So we can control the robots: forward, backward, stop, left side, stop, right side, stop. So let us see on the floor. So now let us see on the floor: forward, stop, so as we are using a 4-wheel drive, so there is a seamless of controlling. Right. And coming to the headlights. Right.